Hi, this is Rocky. So in this video, I'll show you about our modular matrix switcher with 4K 60 HDMI input and 1080p HDMI output. So here we have the setup. Basically, right now we have two sources. One is this media player and an HDMI cable output, then directly to the first monitor here. So basically, we can check out the resolution. So the resolution right now it's 4K 30 Hz. Then we have another source is the Xbox. So we have an HDMI cable directly output to this monitor. So we can check out the resolution. It's 4K 60 Hz. So right now what we're going to do is we're going to disconnect the two cable directly to TV, then input to the matrix switcher. So here's the modular matrix switcher. And right now we can see here we got two 4K 60 HDMI input cut with two HDMI cable. And for the outputs, right now we have two 1080p HDMI output. So now what we're going to do is we're going to disconnect these two sources, then connect to the output 1080p output cut on our matrix switcher. So we'll connect to the output 1. Then have the Xbox disconnect. Then connect to the output 2. Then we will have this 2-line cable, which is connected to the matrix switcher. Then connect to these two sources. So we'll have this LAN cable, HDMI cable connect to this media player. It's the 4K 30, and this one is the Xbox. It's 4K 60. So we'll have this one connected. So right now we'll have the two sources connected, and right now we can see what it got us. The 4K 30 output to this two TV, and we can check out the resolution. So it's already automatically down to 1080p 60 Hz. And on this monitor, it's also the same 1080p 60 Hz. Now what we're going to do is we're going to use the WebGUI to switch the Xbox to this two TV. So we will use the line cable, then use the WebGUI. So now we have the input 3 is from the Xbox. So we just click input 3, switch to all the outputs. So we can check out the switching speed is seamless. So we cannot see like the black or blue screen during the switching. Plus with the 1080p HDMI output card, it also can support a video wall. So basically we can just create a 1x2 video here. So 1 and 2, click add. Then we can drag the output 1 and output 2 down to the box here. So output 1, output 2. So basically right now we can see it's actually a video, but the order is not correct. So we can just close these two and they put the output 2 on the first box and output 1 on the second box. So right now we can see where it got a 1x2 video. Now what we're going to do is we switch to the Xbox. Switch back to the player. Switch to the Xbox. So if you don't need a video wall, we can just simply type 1 here, then click delete. So we'll have a matrix mode. So we can have the input 3, switch to the second TV here, switch to back. So basically our matrix switcher can support like the 4K 60 input, then the 1080p output with the video all function, and the same with this switching. And also we can just save the video all as a presets. So we can just simply save to the cinema, click save button here. Then we back to the switch again. We can just delete this video wall. Then we can just go to the center and we switch to a different source. Switch to the player. Then we go to the center. We can just recall this one, load. So we can see we still got the 1x2 video here. So if we don't need this video and same, we can just delete. Then we're back to the matrix mode. Okay, thank you so much if you liked this video.